Transit Prodigy Mini Video Edition.
Let's shoot for 70. Let's shoot for 70 likes. We're almost there. And there's Lufthansa. There is Lufthansa 402. Coming in from Frankfurt as a B787-9 Dreamliner. Can we get likes for Lufthansa? Friendly reminder, if you have not eaten, taken your meds, drink water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation. I guess no likes for Lufthansa. I guess nobody was feeling that Dreamliner from it. I don't blame y'all.
Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.